Morning to all. I am Dr. Mahadev Wagmade, Assistant Professor in English, Pankaj Arts and Science College, Chopra. Today I am going to deliver a lecture on multiculturalism. Multi means many. Culture means a way of behaving, way of living, way of thinking, way of communicating. So we are living in India. India is a multicultural country. In India, there are many religious peoples are living together very happily. So first we'll see the definition and meaning of multiculturalism. The Columbia Encyclopedia's 6th edition defines multiculturalism or cultural pluralism as a term describing the agreement, coexistence and negotiation of many cultures in a locality without any one culture dominating the region. In the multicultural country, not a single culture dominate the other cultures or the other region. So all these cultural people live together in one locality. So multiculturalism tries to overcome all the illegal practices. Because of the multiculturalism, there will not be any illegal practices because all the religions, all the castes are given equal importance. So he tries to remove the discrimination which was based on color, race, ethnicity, gender, and casteism, religion. So it tries to remove all these discrimination. So multiculturalism means equal rights and opportunities to all the different cultural or racial groups in a society. And it does not regard any cultural or racial group unimportant. In the multicultural country, not a single culture is important. All cultures, all racial groups are important. Multiculturalism means a mixture of diverse cultures and it includes religious, cultural, or racial groups, behavior, cultural conventions and values, beliefs, lifestyles, patterns of thinking, and communicative styles. So, everything is included in this multiculturalism. We'll see the origin and development of multiculturalism. Multiculturalism is an opposite term of biculturalism and it was first introduced in 1960 in Canada by the Royal Commission on Bilingualism and Biculturalism. The term cultural pluralism is used in Quebec. Now this term is replaced by the new term multiculturalism. Earlier this term was used as a cultural pluralism, now it is multiculturalism. This term multiculturalism is now spread up from Canada to all over the world. It is used in three ways. The first, it refers to a society which is based on race or culture. Second, it refers about equality and mutual respect among population. And third, it refers to policies federal government of 1960s, 1971 and of other territories. So we know about these are the three ways where the society which is based on race or culture. Okay, every culture is different, each culture is different. In this multiculturalism, it refers about the equality and also mutual respect among the people. And we know about the policies of the federal government of 1970s 71. The Canada is the first nation to adopt multiculturalism in 1971. The Prime Minister Pierre Trudeau formed a multicultural policy to protect and promote cultural diversity, to understand the rights of Aboriginal peoples and to support for two official languages. So it has become a new buzzword of this century, not only profoundly used by the sociolinguists, sociologists and political scientists, but also by the literary critics, as literature is after all a reflection of social reality. Multiculturalism is not only celebrating diversity, but it also faces the challenges of national politics and state management. It deals with minorities and also makes relations with majority. So we know multiculturalism which is related to minorities, and also it tries to make a relationship with majority of the people. It is highly controversial and also multifarious by difference in expression between advanced capitalist countries and the so-called third world. The cross-cultural activities should be organized within the society. Therefore, it is necessary that all cultural people should live together. Multiculturalism and minority rights are high on the political agenda of most states today. Multiculturalism promises a deeper understanding of the demands of the marginalized communities, thereby ensuring equality and justice for them. So in each country there are some of the marginal communities are there where they are fighting for the equality and justice for them. Parekh, in his insightful book Rethinking Multiculturalism, argues that for a multicultural society, a monocultural or transcultural political perspective would be ill suited. It would lead either to alienating peoples or to inflicting of the injustices and violence of cultural assimilation or homogenization on them. Thank you for listening carefully.